Hi friends, welcome to Laxmiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about arithmetic operators in Tableau. Let's get started. Arithmetic operators are operators that allows us to perform operations like multiplication, division, percentile, and power on numbers. Here are the arithmetic operators which can be used in Tableau: star, slash, percentile, and cap. These four are the arithmetic operator symbols which can be used to perform arithmetic operations in Tableau. Arithmetic operators can be used to multiply two or more numbers, multiply two or more measures, division of two or more numbers, division of two or more measures, and to find the percentage of a number or a measure. In addition to that, we can calculate the power of a number using arithmetic operators in Tableau. Let me open Tableau public application and show you how to use arithmetic operators in Tableau.
I've opened the Tableau public application, and as usual I have taken sample superstore data, and I've created a new worksheet and renamed it as arithmetic operators in Tableau. We have multiple dimensions and measures available over here. First, I'm going to show you how to multiply two numbers in Tableau. I'm creating a calculated field because that is where most of the operations can be done. And first we are going to use the arithmetic operator multiplication multiplier in the calculated field. So first I am going to take a number and using into and the other number. So this is something which is very simple. We can simply provide two numbers and use the multiplication operator and rename it as multiplication of two numbers. You can perform multiplication for more than two numbers as well. Like this you can keep on adding numbers. You can keep on providing numbers and perform multiplication using the multiplication operator, that means arithmetic operator star, and click on OK. The first scenario is completed, and the next thing is we can perform multiplication on more than two measures or two measures. So I'm going to take sales and taking star and taking another measure quantity. So we have created a calculation to perform multiplication on two measures. So I am renaming the field as multiplication of two measures. You can even add one more measure as well into number of records, not number of records, quantity. So I'm just providing random names over here. You can add meaningfully. So this is how you can perform multiplication of two or more measures in Tableau. And I'm clicking on OK. Now let's see how to perform division on more numbers. So I've provided two values and used a division operator in between. So I'm renaming it as division of two numbers. Like I said, you can add much more numbers over here. No, you just need to add the operator in between, and you can perform division for as many numbers required. and I'm clicking on OK. The same way, let's create a calculated field for division of two or more measures. I'm taking sales by quantity by profit. We can limit to two measures, and if required we can add more measures as well. This is how we can perform division of two or more measures. And I'm clicking on OK. Let's see how we can use percentile and power symbol now. So I'm going to give some random numbers. I'm going to give 225 divided by 10 percentile 50. The calculation is valid. This is how we can use the percentile symbol. Percentile in Tableau. We can do the same on measure as well. Let me create another calculator field. I'm taking sales divided by quantity. I'm putting both of them in braces and providing percentile operator, and I want to calculate 50%. So I've done the calculation. Percentile of two measures. Like I said, you can update the same for more measures as well. I'm not meaningfully adding the columns, so I'm just showing you how to add more than one measure. You can add the columns or measures or dimensions meaningfully. And the next one is calculating the power. I'm just going to give 2 cap 2 and renaming it as power. So 2 cap 2, you know the answer, it's 4. We can display the things in text. As soon as we bring the calculation to text, it will perform some aggregation operation. So what we need to do is we need to change the continuous dimension to continuous measure to dimension, so that it will display the value required or the exact value. The same way, when we are performing the percentile also, we should do the same. So let me change it to text so that the value can be displayed. So as I said, as soon as we bring any measure from measure shelf to text, it will perform summation operation on top of that. So we need to change it to dimension to see the exact value. This is how you can perform the this is how you can do the percentage and power in Tableau. This is how all the arithmetic operators can be used in Tableau. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.